Hi everyone, hello and welcome back. I really hope you're having a great day so far. If not, it's okay, we all have those days. Okay, so in today's video I will be reviewing this hyaluronic acid from Dot Key. And before we begin, I just want to say that I do reviews like these all the time on my channel, and I really like reviewing new products and trying them out and giving you like a proper thorough review of them. And I also post some really fun stuff here as well, so if you feel that is something you might be interested in, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and let's begin. So the product we are talking about today is from Dot Key. It's the water drench hydrating hyaluronic serum concentrate. Now, is it just me, or can you also hear that L'Oreal ad saying hyaluronic acid? Every time you hear the word hyaluronic acid, thing is stuck in my head and I cannot get it out. Okay, I really need help with that. Okay, so moving on to this particular product. So I have been trying this out for a very long time, to be honest. I wanted to review it for so long, but for some reason I kept delaying it and I started using other products. So I am almost out in this one. I hope you can see that I only have a very little amount left, so I was like, before I finish this up entirely, let me just review. So basically, hyaluronic acid is really known well for keeping your skin really hydrated and plumped and moisturized. So basically how a hyaluronic acid works is it draws in the moisture from the air. Okay, so if you stay somewhere where it's really dry, so I really don't know how effective a hyaluronic acid would be. I stay in Mumbai, it's really humid, hot here all the time, so it's great for Mumbai weather, that's for sure. Now I feel a lot of people don't know this already, but your body also naturally produces hyaluronic acid, but as we age and due to the environmental factors like pollution and whatnot, sometimes the quantity of hyaluronic acid that your body produces is just not enough. Okay, so that is where a product like this comes in handy, and especially for people like me who have really dry skin and need help moisturizing it. Now this particular hyaluronic acid from Dot Key retails for 975 rupees. You get 30 ml of product in here. You can buy it on 10 to 15% off during the Nykaa sales or on their official website itself. I personally got this as a combo. I got this hyaluronic acid as well as the sleeping mask from Dot Key itself. I really love that one as well. I have reviewed it a very long time ago, and I will place it in the eye. Now I always keep forgetting if the eye is here or here, but I'll link it somewhere. So yeah, basically I got these in a combo and they were like really cheap. I feel like I got both the products for 900 rupees, so that was a bargain. Now let us talk about the ingredients that are mentioned in here. Okay, now this does not only have hyaluronic acid, they have some other ingredients in it as well, so let us talk about them. So the first one is hyaluronic acid, which we already know really helps to make your skin plump and bouncy. The second ingredient is acai berry, and it really helps with premature aging and it helps to heal your skin. The third is Bulgarian rose, which is really well known for its anti-inflammatory properties, so it really calms and soothes your skin down. Particular hyaluronic acid also has vitamin C in it, but I really don't know the concentration of vitamin C and if it's even high enough to do anything for your skin. I personally love vitamin C a lot, and I have seen like a very huge difference on my acne scar and on my hyperpigmentation in general from vitamin C. Just mentioned on the packaging right here that this is a formula induced with vitamin C. You can use it daily and it has no nasty chemicals. I also did not find the percentage of vitamin C on their website, on their own website, and even on Nykaa I was not able to find anything about that. So I kind of found that strange, because in the age of percentage and all the scientific data that we have and all the transparency that we have seen from other companies like Minimalist and nowadays even L'Oreal, so I really hope that Dot Key would be a little more transparent with the percentage of products in here. Like I am sure they might have some vitamin C in it, but is it enough to show any difference on your face? That's the main question, right? Even if this product has vitamin C, I feel it eventually would have gone bad because the packaging is not UV protected, so that's that. Let me talk about my personal experience while I was using this product. Okay, so what I do is I apply a toner and then I go in with this, my eye cream, and then I go in with a moisturizer at night. Okay, so I usually use this only during the night because I don't know, in my morning skincare routine is very simple, so it's just out and about, but at night I have some more spare time and I want to pamper my skin. So it feels really great on your skin. It will feel kind of sticky, and that's the clue that you have to apply a moisturizer on top of it. I know a lot of people go in just with a hyaluronic acid thinking that it could work as a serum. I mean, it could, but you have to top it with a moisturizer or else it will work in reverse. It can also suck out all the moisture from your face. You don't want that, right? So it's really important to put a moisturizer after you have applied this. Wait for a few seconds and then put on a moisturizer and seal everything in, and I'm sure you'll get the most out of this serum. I know I feel like that was a bit nerdy and a lot of science packed in one video. I kind of get overboard with my research. I mean, this is my research. I do a lot of research. I'm kind of a nerd. What can I say? Just want to give you guys all the information so that you can make a smart decision while you purchase things. Now, for some reason, I really want to mention this. I did not write it in my notes, but I cannot stop thinking about it. I really feel that this product is a bit more expensive compared to the other hyaluronic acids that are in the market. Recently, I feel Plum has also launched their own hyaluronic acid, and even Nykaa, if I'm not wrong. A lot of brands have hyaluronic acid. L'Oreal, Minimalist, and you name it, they have it. So I feel the prices should have been a bit more competitive. I feel those hyaluronic acid range around 700 or 800 rupees. Now this one is for 975. It's nearing the 1000 range, and when you can find the others for like 800 rupees, I feel you might go for that one, because I really don't know. I'm on the fence about it. I've not tried the other serums, so obviously I cannot compare it to this. So I mean, yeah, make your own choices. If you can find it on discount, definitely go for this. I really like this product. The last thing that I want to mention is the packaging. Now I don't know, for some reason the packaging feels really cheap. I don't like the packaging. Now I know Dot Key has copied a packaging of a Korean brand, which I always forget the brand's name, but I will pop it on the screen somewhere. So anyway, I don't like that this cap is so bulky, and I don't know, the overall feel of this product is kind of cheap. Anyway, let's just sum this up. If you ask me if this is a good hyaluronic acid, my answer would be yes. I really liked enjoying this. I really liked how this made my skin feel. So you can definitely go for this. I have recently started including the ratings, so I have it open on my phone right now. It has 4.3 stars out of 5 on Nykaa, and 1740 users have rated this product. So I really feel that it's great. It has some really great reviews on Nykaa as well. If you enjoyed watching today's video, please give this video a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to this channel before you leave, and also come and follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of fun stuff there, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.